Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Chi Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray, 8 ounces, and some of the features. It's basically, the description is superior thermal protection spray that works from the inside out, helping protect hair from thermal damage and breakage with a weightless formula, no added buildup, and it helps seal the cuticle and works to prevent future damage. Weightless formula with no buildup helps hair remain silky, and the suggested use is with hair in sections, spray evenly over dry hair, and then use your heat styling tool as usual, working from the roots to ends. Now, I bought this because I decided to buy a hairpiece, and it suggested if I was going to use a curling iron with a hairpiece to have a hair iron guard. And also, let's see, CHI stands for catatonic hydration interlink. It's the 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray, and it's 8 ounces, made in the USA. And then there's a whole bunch of directions and whatnot. But so I bought this hair piece, and it suggested to get a thermal spray guard, and with the price I paid for this extension, there was no way that I was not going to take care of it and not follow their suggestion of getting a heat protectant spray. And I found CHI, and I tried it, and I like it, and it works really well. It works well on the hairpiece as well, but it's just to really keep your hair healthy. You don't want breakage, and this is the product to go to. It's not super highly priced, it's not super lowly priced, it's just right in the middle, and so it's a good price point. I'd say, for the money, it's a wonderful product. And oh, right there we got made in the USA. That's a good thing. But yeah, this hair extension that I bought, I was afraid people were going to realize that I had gotten a hair extension. But even my husband, we were in Las Vegas, he said, "Your hair looks really cute today with the extension on." And I said, "This is my real hair." And he goes, "Oh, well, you fooled me." So even my natural hair, it looks good. So the hairpiece just makes it look a little bit more fun. I recommend that anybody who uses heat styling tools to use an iron guard or a heat guard. This one particularly I really like because it's hydrating, it's moisturizing, it's light, it's not heavy on the hair, and it works. I have had less damage using curling irons on my hair, which I use frequently, flat irons, hair dryers, any styling tool with heat that I use. I have quite a few in my arsenal. This is just a really great product to add to your beauty regimen, and also to your hair arsenal. You want to keep your hair looking soft and fresh and not broken off or have lots of flyaways or split ends. This is the answer to those things, and this is a great product to keep your hair in shape. I once heard the woman who played Samantha on Sex and the City, an article about her that was an interview, and she said the thing that you should spend the most money on is your hair. because it's the first thing people see. And I absolutely agree with that statement, because it is. It's the first thing people see. And you want your hair to look healthy and well taken care of and groomed. And this is just another great product to add to your beauty routine. So, like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it out yourself. And thanks so much for watching.